And how to basically change your power steering into manual on a 92 to 95 Civic. So what I got here is a manual steering rack, and the things they don't frickin' show you is you need these two parts. You need this little rubber boot, and you need this plastic coupler here. I found these on carid.com, and I tell you what, I had to search for those two parts. Also, another thing that you're gonna need is another bracket, and I believe with the manual steering bracket, you're gonna have to drill this part out so that the bolt can fit, because that's fucking loose, and that is unacceptable. And so anyways, pretty much after you get those two pieces on, this will slide over top and sit on top of that plastic piece there, and that's pretty much it. And then I bought the manual steering rack off of eBay for like, I think it was 38 bucks. Pretty damn cheap, but that's how you do it.